Petro 062 reporting for Arnold Siren. This thing operates every first Monday of every month, and it makes a lot of racket for the test. You don't know what it's going to do, what it's going to say. They talk on there, so we're going to have to check it out and see what it says. It's Monday morning at 11 and almost, and we're going to see what it is. So here goes.
Hey there, guys and gals. This is Arnold, Missouri. Yeah, and we're having a real good time on Monday morning at 11 o'clock. Yeah, this is only a test of the emergency broadcast system. Okay, yeah, and we're having a real good time. And if this was a real alarm,
Holy cow.
I tell you to put your head between your legs and kiss your ass goodbye. Okay. Yeah, we're having a real good time now. Okay.
That's not a siren. That's a speaker. Can you believe that? Holy cow. This Petro 062 reporting for. What in the world's that stuff all about? Is that what they got on the siren? The speakers? On Monday morning? Holy moly. This Petro 062 reporting for Channel 62.
Channel 62. Channel 62. Channel 62.